Hey y'all, welcome to my first YouTube video. So basically, if you did not already see, my name is Zoe. And just I'm here on YouTube and doing my thing, I guess. That was so corny, but anyway, so if you have not already seen by the title, do not mind my finger. It's broke. Anyway, so if you have not seen by the title, I'm going to be bleaching a hoodie. And if you haven't seen the thumbnail, I mean, that's what you're here for. And so, honestly, I'll just be bleaching this black oversized hoodie right here. I'm gonna do more to it later because I'm about to knock my whole phone down. But I'm gonna do more to this because I don't really wear oversized hoodies like that. I mean, I don't know. Anyway, so I guess it's like a tie-dye, I guess, but I'm not gonna be doing the usual scrunch it. I mean, I'm gonna scrunch it up, but I'm not gonna be like doing all that rubber band stuff because that's doing too much, and I'm too lazy for that. I'm sorry to admit that. But anyways, so I don't want to make this intro too long, but welcome to my channel, and I hope y'all enjoy the more, what am I trying to say here? I guess y'all, oh my God, what am I trying to say? Y'all, excuse me. I hope y'all enjoy any other content that I post on here, and let me get on with what the purpose of this video is. Lord. For this part, I'm going to be doing a voiceover so y'all can see the process of this bleaching, or I should have said the bleaching process. Same difference. Anyway, so as you can see right now, I'm just running my hoodie under the water so I can get the best results. I don't know why I said it like that. Anyway, so as I took it out, it was just drenched and I wasn't messing with that. So I'm going to fast forward through this part because all I was doing was just wringing it out. And I did this for like a couple of minutes. I don't know why. Anyway, so once I'm done, as you can see, I kind of just like scrunched it up into like a circle or whatever I did. And as you can see, I'm pulling out the Clorox foamer. It was real ghetto, but it's okay because it still got bleach in it. So yeah, and I'm gonna try and fast forward through this part too because it took me a while. I don't know why. I guess I don't know why it took me so long, but I'm going to fast forward through this so y'all don't have to watch me bleach this. So yeah, just know this is what I'm using, but y'all can use any bleach of your choice. Just yeah. So for the most part, this is how it looks. Obviously not the final results, but it kind of it looks way different on camera than what it does in like person. But I think once I put it in the washer, I'm actually like it. So hey y'all, so it is the next day. Obviously I look worn out, tired, because I am, but that's not the point of this. Basically, I say so basically a lot. Anyway, so this is the next day. The hoodie's been washed, dried, everything. So overall, the outcome, now this is the final product of the bleaching part of what I'm gonna do. So here is the front, and then the drawstrings did not get bleached. But actually, I think it's really cool though, like the sleeves and stuff. it's kind of fire, not gonna lie. Like, but I think this kind of gives me like a distressed vibe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying? So here's the back. Y'all get it. The bleaching part, it's, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be lighter. I'm just throw it on my bed. Anyways, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be lighter, but I'm totally fine with like how the bleaching color came out. Overall, that is not how I want to leave the hoodie, because like I said, I'm not gonna leave it oversized. And so I didn't go out and buy like an expensive hoodie. I actually got that hoodie off of Amazon, and we're just gonna completely just refurbish. Refurbish is not the right word, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Just completely like just make it look like a whole nother hoodie, but you know it's the same hoodie. So I'm gonna probably just go ahead and make another video on that, because I don't want this video to be too long. So yeah, I'm gonna just make a video like doing whatever I want to do to it. So yeah, so that was it for this video. And maybe, I don't know yet, maybe at the end of the video I will, actually no, don't even need to do all that, that's doing the most. But yeah, that was it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the little process that I did. Yeah, the ending's kind of boring right now, but like I'm just really tired, and I just wanted to get this out the way. So yeah, I hope you liked my first video, and like all YouTubers on here say, like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for some more content of mine. Why is my AirPod falling out? Anyways, so come back for some more content of mine. Anyways, oh, I just said anyways about 5 times. Girl, I was about to say it again. But yeah, come back for more content. Keep repeating myself. And like I said, hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah.
But I disguise the truth. I say I'm happy, but I'm still stuck on